Alrighty, y'all, we are back at one of my favorite little creeks here in the beautiful Pacific Northwest. We're just not into full steelhead swing yet here. Yeah, start enjoying some of the cutthroat trout fishing that this region has to offer. So we're just focusing on these resident cutthroat trout. Got a little red midge and then a little print simp, I mean. So that's the game plan, starting off with those two flies under an indicator. And yeah, we'll see if we can make a quick fishing mission out of this trip. Clearly fishing a little deep right here. I don't expect to catch a fish here, but just fishing it on the way down, seeing if we can't get lucky in one of these shallower little runs. Well, there's a stick in the spot that I would like to most fish, so that's a bummer. We'll have to fish around that. That's okay though, we can figure it out. Well, I caught that log that I said was in my way. It just came off. No braking. Oh, we have a fish. There we go. My net is actually deployable this time. Whoa, hey-o. Easy, buddy. All right, what do we have here? So we have a nice little cutty. Beautiful spots on this fish. My lord, look at the artwork there. Just gorgeous. All right, I'll get you back in. See ya. All right, we're in business. One fish on the board. Didn't take long at all. Oops. That looked like a fish too. There we go. There we go. There we go. What do we got here? Another nice little cutty. Now this looks like a steelhead. Little baby steelhead. Ate the midge. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Gorgeous fish. See you, dude. So cool. Love catching those little guys. Just such beautiful fish. Oh, there's one. Cutie. Beautiful little fish. Off he goes. So cool. Just kidding, that's not a Jeep. That is a truck. Oh, there we go. That was cool. That was really cool. Came up and just annihilated it. Wow, the par marks on this guy are just incredible. Let me show you this fish. Look at the par marks on him. Wow. I'm gonna get some footage of him going back. Oh my God. It's clearly time to call it. When you make 3 casts in a row into the bushes, that's when you know your day is over. Alright, that's a wrap. We are calling it a day. Went out, made it happen, caught a couple fish, 3 fish actually. And I'm content. Didn't lose any flies, never had to make a change. Overall, exactly what you want out of a day of fishing. Catch up with you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching.